In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an orange tone look in Darktable. First things first, open your photo in the darkroom view. This is the place where all the magic happens, allowing you to transform your image with precision and style. Now that we have our photo ready to go, let's activate the Color Balance RGB module. This powerful tool helps us to adjust the colors and tones in our image comprehensively. In Color Balance RGB, we want to begin by shifting the midtones and highlights slightly toward orange. This is done by adjusting the gamma and gain sliders. These sliders are crucial as they control the overall balance of colors in your image. A slight shift here adds warmth, giving your photo that classic orange glow. Be careful not to overdo it, as too much adjustment can make your image look unnatural. Next, we'll move on to the Color Zones module. This module is fantastic for refining specific color tones. We're focusing on enhancing the reds, oranges, and yellows in your image. This enhancement helps in creating that warm, inviting tone we're aiming for. It's important to experiment a little, play around with these colors until you find a combination that feels right for your photo. Balance is key, so it's all about making tweaks until your image has the perfect warm feel. As you work through this process, make sure to adjust the saturation and lightness as well. Adjusting these attributes will help make the orange tone look natural and balanced. This step is crucial because oversaturation can lead to an overly edited look, while undersaturation might not bring out the vibrancy you desire. Aim for a cohesive and pleasant appearance that enhances the image's natural beauty. One optional but very effective step is to fine-tune the shadows with either the tone equalizer or the RGB curves. This step can add a nice complementary touch to the warm tones you've already created. By adjusting the shadows, you bring in-depth and dimension, which enhances the overall feel of the photo. It's a subtle yet powerful way to polish your image and give it an extra layer of sophistication. And that's how you give your photos an orange tone using Darktable. Remember, practice makes perfect, and every image is unique. Don't hesitate to experiment and develop your style as you dive deeper into these editing techniques. Thank you for joining me on this journey through Darktable today. With these steps, you're well on your way to creating stunning, warm-toned photographs. Enjoy bringing your images to life.